So like goes to like. We're attracted to that which we are. A group like this attracts people of a similar nature. You know, what is peace? What is spirituality? What is spiritual reality? Can you confirm it? Can you share it with others? Right now the spiritual world is focused on peace, and I think the way to achieve peace is to try and create peace. Like enlightenment, you cannot create peace. You can't create peace. All you can do is remove its opponents. Because peace, like the sunshine, is shining right this moment. And all you have to do is remove that which obscures it. If you remove falsehood, only truth remains, and truth shines forth as peace. Those who achieve an inner peace, nothing prevails against the peace. So you can look at the mind that's about to go off, and you feel perfectly fine. Because your intention is so focused on the reality of the moment, there's no room for fear. All right, so integrity then is its own reward, because it's a self-fulfilling system. These systems down here need something outside of themselves. They are all suffering from lack. I mean, there's nobody left to stab. You got to find somebody to stab, you know what I'm saying? Carjacked, something. Desperation, man. You see the hoodlums hanging out in the corner? Hey, what are you going to do tonight, man? Hey, we knocked them over last week. Hey, how about this? Yeah, you can see the glee. Yeah, hey, that's a great idea, yeah. We can run them over twice, man. It's cool, yeah. Yeah, there's videos, you can see it every night on television, where here they are doing it, plotting it, and shooting kids as they drive down the street and all. All right, so people are going to be attracted to that because that's just normal. That's normal. That's normal. That's the recidivist. You let him out of prison, within 24 hours he's done the same thing all over again. In fact, he'll even tell you, I'm going to do it. Please don't let me out. I know I'm going to kill again. So help me God, within 24 hours I got killed again. Despite all his pleadings, I know I'm going to do it. You know? Anyway. People here, again, are going to be attracted to that which they are. You're not going to be attracted to that which is strange and weird, you know. So we know that the great gravitational field, the infinite power of spiritual reality, is like a giant magnet. Your spirit, your soul, the collective karma of all your lifetimes and all your decisions now affects that little iron filling that we could call your soul, its polarity, its magnetism, the way its little molecules are going. And as you go out of body, it just automatically gravitates to there, when the giant electromagnetic field of reality, the presence of God, determines with absolute certainty and absolute justice. Therefore, everybody is subject to only the justice of God is absolute, because the field then, by virtue of your own decisions, determines where you will be. Nobody forces you there. No God has to punish you by throwing you to the bottom, because like lead, you're going to drop to the bottom. Or like a cork, you float to the top. So the sea is not judgmental. It doesn't punish this cork and reward the other cork. It doesn't beat up the sinker by forcing it to the bottom because its cork was too small. The balance of lead and cork is going to decide where it bobs to. So if God is the infinite reality, the infinite source and power of all creation, then that power, by virtue of the essence of that which it is, automatically determines that your own free will, and your own free will only, is what determines where you will be. And nothing else could be absolute justice.